Now, 3 months after the National Assembly passed the Finance Bill of 2020 into law, the country is now headed for an amended version of the Act. This follows directives from President Uhuru Kenyatta, which impact on the relief measures which have been in place since March in seeking to cushion citizens and businesses from the adverse effects of COVID-19. In his address during the National COVID-19 conference, President Kenyatta directed that the National Treasury considers retaining value-added tax at 14% until for the rest of the current financial year, that is until July 2021. He also directed that Treasury should consider retaining the income tax rate, or pay-as-you-earn, at 25%, and this is until January 1st, 2021. CS Ukur Yatani and his team are also to consider retaining the resident income tax, or corporation tax, at 25%, down from 30%, and this is until 1st January 2021, indicating the likelihood of an amendment to the Finance Act of 2020 to determine the way forward for the remaining part of the financial year. Treasury is also to maintain the 100% tax relief for persons earning gross monthly income of up to 24,000 shillings beyond the sunset date of 31st December 2020. This will necessitate an amendment to the present law, which came into force through the Tax Laws Amendment Act in March. Now, to continue cushioning micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, Treasury is to consider maintaining the reduction of the turnover tax rate from 3% to 1% for all MSMEs, and Treasury has been directed to expedite the rollout of the Credit Guarantee Scheme in partnership with participating banks and development partners, and this will help enterprises access to credit by an additional 100 billion shillings. Doing away with some of the existing relief measures will afford the Kenya Revenue Authority some relief, given the 172 billion shillings it was foregoing in tax revenue due to the measures adopted in March.